Welcome to ITTV Global Media, the voice of software engineers. And today I have Pavni. Pavni is from Messi Global, the English internship program. So I'll be just checking with her what she has to tell you people. So ma'am, where are you from?
Hi, I'm your Pavani. My full name is Pavani Padmareka. I'm from Messi Global. I'll be using Telugu in between because I need to reach the people. So this is the right way to speak. I hope so.
Okay. For sure. I'm glad because I think most of our viewers are Telugu people and Telugu speaking, and I just know one thing in that. Okay, Bagundawa. I don't know, is that right or wrong?
See, we learn from the mistakes. That's okay. I'm really very proud to say I'm from AP, but I have born and brought up from Hyderabad. So my studies, my education, my work, it started from Hyderabad. So even though still I love my language, even I just want to say English is to be learned to survive, but don't forget the mother language.
I'm very glad. I'm so glad that you actually said that. But yes, let's not forget that right now we have a boom in the international and global language that is English. So Messi Global, how exactly will Messi Global help the people in learning this language?
Messi Global is intensive coaching. That is we are leaders teaching English. And the second point, it is an internship in English. So I just want to tell something in Telugu. ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడడం అని భయపడే వాళ్ళకి మేము ఉన్నామని ముందుకు వస్తుంది మెస్సీ. ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. ద సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోయినా తెలుగులో అర్థాలు చెప్పి మీకు నేర్పిస్తుంది మెస్సీ. సో మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా మాట్లాడగలిగే శక్తి ఇస్తుంది, మీకు జాబ్ కూడా తప్పకుండా వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు అంటే ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ 8 hours యాక్టివిటీతో మా మెస్సీ గ్లోబల్లో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వబోతుంది. ఇక్కడ మీరు నేర్చుకున్నది కూడా యాక్టివిటీ రూపంగా చేయగలుగుతారు. సో యూ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ ఏ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు డూ యువర్ యాక్టివిటీస్. Not only learning, you will be going in a practical way also. So that we teach in English, Telugu and in Hindi also. So we are a people, a group of a leaders, or you may say a trainers. We are into a different kinds of languages. We are based from Telugu, Hindi, English, and apart from that we have a good trainer, Mr. Khan. He knows other languages. If I'm not wrong, he is good at Tamil, Malayalam and other languages also. So here we are into especially with non-IT people who are looking for the jobs, who are facing really to go with the communication skills. We are just telling that we are there for you people to get into your whatever your required field or whatever the fields you are looking for. Especially the people who are coming from locals or rural areas, especially we focus only those students.
So if I have to ask you, as you said that there'll be students from Hindi background, Telugu background, and you have your professor who also knows Tamil and Malayalam. So anybody who does not know English can approach Messi Global, that is Ameerpet, Aditya Enclave on 601, right?
Sure. See, we are not giving 100% guarantee, but we try to give it 100% guarantee to the students. We make them because those people are with us within activity of 8 hours. They are purely internship English program. Okay, so we have example, the people are coming from other domains, non-IT, sales, okay, insurance or callers or telecallers. So we just go with them and we plan such a way so that they can go and have interviews also according to the domains. We go with the usages, live examples will be given to them.
Oh wow, that is really awesome. And as you have said that this will be an 8 hours intensive program. So will that include just one specific component of English or everything?
It is everything, and we have a good kind of environment where we go with the practical knowledge, and whereas we have assessment test every 15 days we are going to have a assessment test where we going assign people, we can assess what kind of a knowledge they have and what exactly they require to go forward. So we just go with all kind of parameters also.
Wow. So how many years of experience you have?
It's like 20 plus years experience. I just worked, I'm like a Thomas Cook. I worked with many things. Okay, so I'm not into one field. Maybe that made me to stand over here.
I am so glad. I'm so glad. I can actually. I'm first of all, honesty, the 20 years of a lot of other things, and but somewhere her education and her passion for English has actually got her here. So if you want to actually speak English, and if you are from Hindi background, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, whomsoever you are, please contact Messi Global. Right now, they are running an English internship program. Believe me, non-IT, IT, whomsoever you are, we have people who can actually change and make you what you want to be, right?
That's 100% true because see, knowledge is nothing but transformation. What we learn, we are giving to you. That's all. This is what I just want to convey the people.
Thank you. People love you. And just like to ask you, will you please tell our viewers New Year and like, share and subscribe?
This year went with really a lot of things and like I thank to Ramana sir because this is a new platform to us. He trusted and given us this new platform. Really it's going to do wonders with the Messi Global. I just suggest the people to come and join and have a classes over here. Wishing you happy new year. Thank you.
Thank you, Pavni. It was nice talking to you, man. Thank you.